Hello, I'm Kunal Sethi, Director of Man Machine Car Care Private Limited and Man Machine Group, a pioneer of mechanized cleaning business in India since 1987. And I want to introduce you to the Detailing Mafia, our premium chain of car detailing studio, offering world-class experience to customers in terms of services, products, and ambiance. I'm offering you a franchise concept of owning an ultimate car detailing studio, which has come with experience of more than 30 years, and running company-owned stores in Delhi NCR shows our belief in the concept and proven profitability and customer satisfaction. Why car detailing business? 1. India is today the fourth largest car manufacturer of cars. 2. Today, people are very choosy about their cars and features and want to have cars always looking new and shiny. 3. Last year, 3.5 million cars were sold and sales of C category and above cars were more than 1.3 million. These customers want to have services above normal car wash and detailing. 4. Today, quality customers are becoming time poor and they want to trust their beloved car to a professional studio where their cars are treated with international facilities and methods with trained manpower. 5. There is a big growth in the number of cars from young people and they want to have their cars shining as good-looking cars are becoming a status symbol. Why Detailing Mafia franchise? 1. We are part of a 30-year-old group and an ISO 9001:2015 compliant firm. Cleaning is our core business and we bring experience. 2. The Detailing Mafia is a premium car spa and not an ordinary car wash where premium car owners would feel safe to take their cars and enjoy the ambiance. 3. We bring OptiCoat, only true ceramic coating to India, under exclusive agreement for franchising stores from the USA. 4. You get the ultimate paint protection film, or PPF, on cars for your customers through the Detailing Mafia. 5. The Detailing Mafia offers best ROI with minimum investments in the current segments with no hidden cost. 6. We have a unique online CRM software that will facilitate all CRM activities in your area. 7. Man Machine is the exclusive distributor in subcontinent of all products used in the Detailing Mafia. These products are approved by leading companies such as Mahindra & Mahindra, Tata Motors, Renault, BMW, Jaguar, Land Rover, and Bajaj, just to name a few. 8. Our products are serviced at 56 locations across the country, so we won't leave you high and dry after selling the franchise. 9. Through Detailing Mafia, we offer 10 detailing programs to customers with best detailing experience. 10. A European MNC now produces car wash chemicals for us in India, so you will get international level products at Indian prices. 11. We provide free installation and training to our franchise, and I give free training upgrades every 6 months at your location. 12. Complete guidance and site visits in choosing location, designing of your detailing studio, and setup. 13. 20% of our franchising fees is spent on joint promotion with you in your area, promoting your outlet. 14. Ready designs of all advertising material, stationery, and maintenance checklists provided to you. 15. We also support all uniforms for staff and all initial branding. 16. Centralized digital marketing support to build your online campaigns and generate leads, thereby promoting your outlet on various digital platforms. 17. Last but not least, within our franchise, you can get up to 100% ROI, which makes it the best investment opportunity. What we need from our franchisees: 1. Enthusiastic young entrepreneur with passion for cars and detailing. 2. Capability to invest 30 to 50 lakhs depending on your location or site. 3. excellent communication skills and team player. 4. A centrally located location. 5. Technology savvy to host marketing on digital platforms. 6. 6 months running costs and branding backup. So what are you waiting for? Visit us at www.thedetailingmafia.com or call us at 80-100-44,000 and let's join hands to help you start your new venture.